Alright, here is the ConRAC building, otherwise known as the Consolidated Rent-A-Car Center. No longer have to go to individual little businesses around LAX to get your rental car. Hertz Enterprise, all those places, all will be contained inside this one facility. And it's considered a parking garage, and as well as the largest parking garage in the world. So that's quite a statement. If you've ever seen aerials around this area, it's a very large, massive size piece of property. So this is an old Hertz facility. You can see they have stores. You can see they have cars stored on site, as well as this washing station. Wash them. That'll be all transitioned across the way here. So basically, it's going to be a one-stop shop for basically all the major players of the rental car industry, where cars are stored, they're released upon rental agreements. They have a maintenance area. They have a place where they're washed and maintained to look clean, and that's all contained in this one area and accessible by the people mover. Hasn't even opened. Why does it already look kind of faded?